All
Please
right.
to
I could see it
be
now.
right. We're live.
We're
Okay, coach.
live. I
Yeah.
hope you're seeing us now. So, hey, everyone, good afternoon. Once again, it's 7:01 here in California, and we are here with my friend once again for you to discuss about our online business, the trending business in the world, the number one business actually for me. And I'm Coach Lola. I'm here in California, and I'm retired civil engineer from the Armed Forces. And I'm doing this business because helping other people, and the business that I cannot really compare with others. Um, you may be interested to learn more about this. Just stay tuned until the end if you have questions, or if you're viewing right now and you're coming from other country, please mention where you're coming from, and mention if you're a member of Live Good, especially us, the GIVE team, which is the Global Income Builder team, guys. We welcome you here in our live presentation. I have here with me my friend who I also found through this business, virtual friend, but we've seen each other already, so last month in Las Vegas. So take it away, Coach Medi.
Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Thank you, coach. We are here again. It happened to be Wednesday today. Today is federal holiday or national holiday here in the US. 7 o'clock already in the evening, but it's a holiday here. That's why I was able to do it live with Coach Lola today. We are celebrating the June 19th. And what is June 19th? It's the Freedom Day. That's what they said. The end of the slavery, and this happened in I think in Texas. So it's now it's holiday here, June 19. It just so happened only I think 2-3 years ago that we started this, but since I work in the government, so it's a holiday, as I said. But here I am. We are here with Coach Lola. We're going to present another business, Live Good business overview, and it's going to be in English. So if you have friends who can understand Tagalog, this is the time to bring them in, listen to us until the end, until the compensation, because this is very exciting. And I know a lot of people will get interested to this, and will get, when they hear all about Live Good, I don't know how are they going to handle it. Right, coach? That's why we are here, to try to share it with you. So are you ready now? Can we
Yes, I've
start
shared
now?
it to the.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
sure. Yeah, I just shared it to our chat room, guys. We have at least, I think, almost 15 chat rooms already, and it keeps on growing. So, yeah, we can start now.
Yeah. My name, by the way, is Medi. You can see on this screen.
You
I forgot
forgot to
to mention.
mention.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. This
Yeah.
this is what happened when you're on live.
Everything here is not edited, guys. All right. So
So
we're so excited to share with you. This is screen, and you just have to, follow whatever we are going to tell you guys. So let me start. We are going today. We're going to discover this life-changing program. It's still in the pioneering stage, guys. This is really trending and globally, and for me it's a unique lifetime digital asset. It's like your real estate asset, because it's going to be yours for life. We are the Global Income Builder team, by the way, and that's why we call ourselves the GIVE team. Okay,
okay, let's go to the next one.
you can do the arrow on your keyboard
Yeah.
for faster thing. Yeah. All right. Why you need this business? Well, bills are getting higher. Of course, and brick and mortar stores are closing down, guys. In fact, 45 to 50 thousand more store will close down, guys. Okay, and also business are transitioning online as well as the payment method. So we need to learn how to use this payment method. I know a lot some people who are still afraid of doing the online payment, but guys, we need to modernize our way of uh, shopping this time. So what we're gonna do is we will make and help your gadget work for you. You can start this business from home. It can be a part-time business or a full-time for somebody who's like me, who is retired. This is so easy business, and stay tuned. Okay, next slide. Okay, who is this business for? Well, almost everyone can do this, I believe. But I'm calling all the retirees right now because I'm retired, as I've said, and to help stay home parents, of course, that's why I have a baby, a parents there with a baby, employees who are planning to retire and looking for a plan B. I know a lot of them, and professional doctors, nurses, realtors, all the professional out there, accountant like Coach Medi, you can do this business and you're gonna love this business. So anyone looking for an extra income, this is for you guys. So stay tuned. So, introducing our very own we love this business. Actually, we are going to introduce you to Live Good. Live Good is a global e-commerce business, guys. So easy. This is a turnkey business, all done for you online. So we have two sections in here. We have two programs. One is the business center. You're going to be an owner, and we call ourselves an affiliate, guys. Okay, so you're going to have this e-commerce shop business, and it's going to be yours for life. And then the other one that we will introduce you on the second part is the biz membership club. And this is not an ordinary membership club, it's a membership club that pays, guy. Yes, they're going to pay you. So okay, next slide. Well, what we are not. That's why I love this business. We are not your typical networking company. Yes, we are also a networking, but really we eliminated all the hard rules of those ordinary and old-fashioned networking companies. And we are not an investment company as well. We are not a crypto trading, although you're going to hear something about crypto later when it comes to our payment method. But yeah, just to warn you, this is not a crypto trading. So, how we differ from others? This is, listen, guys, no account expirations. Yes, your account is yours for life to pass it on to your family from generation to generation. No quota and pressure. Wow, this is so relaxing, guys. No product cap packages to join. No monthly auto ship needed. No buying or selling required. You just buy or sell when you like. Okay? No need to hide what you offer. Some other company are so strict of, hey, don't tell that, don't tell this. Okay? They're all hiding out there. Okay, but in this business, in Live Good business, we're not going to do that. No volume balancing to get paid. Yeah, I hate this balancing. This is called the binary thing. And before you get paid, you're gonna need volume on the left, volume on the right. Oh my goodness, I hate that kind of program. And lastly, this is the unique, no inviting necessary to earn. Whew, can you imagine that? Next slide, please. No, no, no. All right, let's talk about the company. I'm sure you're all is if you're new to hearing this Live Good company. Well, of course, you want to know who we are. We are located in Jupiter, Florida. Yes, here in USA, we have here the license. If you can see that, this company is launched to international market on December 13, 2022, guys. So this is really new. We're almost 2 years, yeah, take advantage of the pioneering, be in front of the history in the making. We're gonna do history here, guys. So all our products is manufactured here in the United States. We are of the highest quality products in the industry. Okay, we passed the GMP. We are GMP certified. We have our products are organic, certified organic. We have products that are 100 vegans, natural, non-GMO, guys. And each product, before we launch it, guys, we make sure that it passed this third party laboratory testing, which is called the American Laboratory Trading, also in Florida. That's why we brag about our products, guys. So you can check in our website, you can find it there, all the individual product testing. This is our warehouse in Florida with our CEO and Dr. Ryan, our formulator. We actually have two warehouses in Florida, because we're really getting bigger and bigger, and one in Germany already, and we're gonna open in the Philippines, in Asia, to distribute in Asia. We're gonna open in Nigeria to cater the South Africa, and a lot more, guys. So we're still growing, and we're growing fast. Okay. So, who are the people behind the corporate team, guys? You're going to love this. Ben Glinsky, wow, number one, president and CEO, and has over 20 years of experience, guys. We are not new in this company. These people has the profession that you all been looking for. Dr. Ryan Goodkin, our co-founder, and also the director of products development, guys. Yes, he formulates our product, and he's making it sure that it comes from pristine places, and he's only picking the number one product, guys, for us. Lisa Goodkin, his wife, is the director of health education, and Lisa is our the person who you will email or call about your health issues. If you have one, you can email her, and she will reply to you instantly or easily, guys. And lastly, Nader Kasan, our co-founder and director of field development, guys. He is so friendly. He will support you all the way. I always meet him in our events. Okay, guys, in Live Good events. So next slide, please. Hey, guys, we have a very simple mission, and I'm sure you will never forget this. I joined Live Good because of this purpose, okay? To help people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune to do it. Not anymore here in Live Good. You can buy the products at factory price, rock bottom low, and that's why our the words from our marketing director, the days of buying overpriced products so the people at the top can get rich are over, guys. So we're gonna reveal to you the secret in network marketing. So before you jump into any companies out there, because every day I get a lot of offer. Hey, you join us, here's the product, blah blah blah. But all of them are offering us a marked up products. What I mean by that, because actually we learned from Live Good that the average cost to make all these products that you see on the grocery shelves and all other networking companies, they only cost $5 to $10 to make, guys. But these companies are selling it for 10 times or higher. Why? Because they have the program that they patch the compensation for the sponsor. They all the payment for the sponsors are coming from the product overpricing. So that's the secret. That's why Live Good solved the problems, guys. So it really solved the problems, and we are here, and we found our home here in Live Good.
All right. So this
Yes.
is my turn. Okay.
All right, I'm gonna turn you over to my friend Maddie. Take it away, sis.
All right. Thank you, Coach. Live Good, your lifetime personal online shopping mall. This is what Live Good all about. All right. Because a lot of people are asking what is Live Good. So this is, please listen to this. Number one, it is an instant shop. This is open 24/7 because we are online. Once you become an affiliate member of Live Good, you get those five link that will be given to you. This is done for you. 5 personal shop with your name on it. It's personalized so they can see your name. Number two, Live Good has in-demand products. As you can see here on the screen, our products are factory price from 75 to 90% less than the other brands that we have in the market. That's why most members are buying these products like me. I have almost all the products that you can see here. Number three, we are global. The market is around the world. And we have this drop shipping program reaching worldwide to 232 countries. Drop shipping program meaning when you order to the warehouse, to if your client or your customer order online, they can just click and the company will do the shipping by itself. They will just send directly to your customer, so no headache for us. Another thing is it has huge income. That's the reason why we affiliates of Live Good decided to join, not just a member, but we become an affiliate because of the huge income that you will get from here, from 50 to 100% profit. And we will explain this later on once we get to the compensation. So, and we get paid weekly and monthly 5 times. So, this is Live Good all about. All right. Next is Live Good. Here are the current products and category. We have health, beauty, and wellness. We have weight loss. We have detoxing and gut health, immune booster, heart health, sleep support, muscle and joint aid, brain functions, beauty skincare, sexual health. All right. All our products, seeing as you can see here on screen, are has full 90-day empty bottle guarantee. So as you see that how confident the company is. We can give you 90-day, and we have more than 200 plus products coming. We just have 3 products came out recently, and here you are. They keep on adding more products. We are looking on household care, personal care, travel, solar, alkaline machine, and many more. New product launching every month. Yeah, I just mentioned 3 products last month, I think. Okay, here are the sample of the products that we have with Live Good with the price comparison. We have the multivitamins for $9.95. I'm using that. Guys, I'm using that. I keep on ordering. I started once I become a Live Good affiliate member, I started taking this. I switched to this. Compared to the other brand, it costs 47.45, and you are now saving 79%. Also, we also have the other one is $29. The next one, we have D3K2. It's only $8.50. A lot of people are using this during the pandemic, and we really need this. Compared to the other products, you save 75%, and the other one is 60%. You can see the prices here. Also, the magnesium. I am using this magnesium every night because if you want to sleep tight like a baby, take magnesium. I recommend this to all my friends who are complaining about that they can't sleep at night. This magnesium really helps you. And how much it costs? It's only $8.95 compared to the 2 other brand here, $30 and $35. So it's like more than three. It's like 3 times more than three. See.
Yeah.
Also, we have the CBD oil, 750 ml for $14.95 compared to the other one, 2 brands here. Can you imagine the price? $89.99 and $79.95. With us, it's only $14.95. But if you can see, if you read the content, the quality is far, far from these 2 items here. Okay, another products that we are showcasing here is the Super Greens. I have this also, and I know Coach Lola loves the super greens too. It's
Yeah.
only $18. Organifi is selling this for 69.99, and AGI 99.99. I can imagine sometimes when I'm watching TV, I see this one and someone is promoting. I said 99.99. I can, I can fight you for $18. My goodness. So the price difference is so far. Also, we have the super reds. Everybody's, especially men, love super reds. And with Organifi, it's 69.99, and the other one, Super Beats, is 39.99. Even if our products has a low prices, but the quality is far, far from all of this that we are showing it here.
Yes.
Also, we also have the organic coffee. Everybody loves coffee. A lot of people that I know loves coffees. Even me myself, I bring coffee in the office and I have this, and it's only 70.95. Can you imagine this? People showing this, advertising the price is $35. It's like double, almost double, 48% higher than Live Good. The other one is $40.50. And of course, we have this plant-based protein powder that we are using, and I'm using this too. It's only $22. Two other brands here cost 59.99 and 62.95. That's a savings of more than 50%. It's 65%. So you can imagine these products that we have here compared to the other brand. My goodness. Live Good. Let's talk about the new business model. This the membership club that pays. We are the first in the industry and we are the game changer. So listen to this. What are the familiar membership club? Okay, let's talk about Costco. This is 120 per year. Most people here in the US and I think in Canada, they're paying this much every year only to get those high, discounted prices. And I myself a member of Costco. They have 119 million members. Also, we have Amazon. Those who are subscribing with Amazon, you pay 14.95 per month. They have 200 million members, and their sales 469.82 billion sales per year. We will be an Amazon one day, and I'm pretty sure we will be there very soon. All right. And of course, Netflix, 19.95 per month. Those who once loved to watch, those movies. We also subscribe with Netflix and we're paying 19.95 per month. The subscribers here is 247.15 million. Wow. Also, people who are using Zoom, they are paying 15.95 per month and 509,800 paid subscriber. All right, this is what these are the membership club in comparison to Live Good. Other e-commerce platform charges from 16.99 to 13.99 per month on subscription, and you need to pay a web designer, and it will cost you 5 to 10,000. Wow, Coach Lola is web designer, so she knows this. You need
Yes.
to find your products to sell and ship yourself. I know someone who does this, and I've been trying to convince him to join LiveGood. Hopefully, he'll wake up. All right, how much is the startup cost? Okay, there is a one-time affiliate fee of $40. Where can you find that? Only to set up your account, and it will be for you forever for the rest of your life. You have this. You have your own website. There is a monthly subscription of $9.95 per month. This is the one that you have to maintain. $9.95 per month. This is for you to avail products discount I mentioned in the beginning, and of course for you to earn income here, bigger income here. So if you total this both, you are going to pay $49.95. This is your startup cost in starting your online business with LiveGood. This is the lowest global business in the planet. That's true. We can guarantee that. You can't find this kind of deal that you are seeing right now. All right, LiveGood. Also, if you want to pay the 1 year, you are going to pay only $99.95. Your monthly subscription, if you just paid what the whole year, $99.95. So you are saving 2 months here. So if you add $40 and $99.95, that's $139.95. By the way, I already renew my 1 year, so I don't want to lose my date. Even if they said it's automatic in your credit card, I paid it right away. So because it's getting closer. So this is how would it cost you with your business. All right, Live Good. There are ways to pay Live Good. Um, you can do it by debit or credit card. We have the Visa, Discover, and Mastercard. Physical or virtual, there are countries who only offer this kind of credit card, the virtual. I think in the Philippines, most are using the virtual. Also, cryptocurrency. We offer also cryptocurrency. And the third one is the sponsor's credit wallet. The person who invited you knows how to do this, or if not, you can always come to us and we will help you how to set up this and how to we can help you. Please take note, there is only one account and one card policy. So if there are 5 members in the household enrolled, it should be a different card. You can't use the same card. So this is what we're trying to remind everyone. So how do we get paid? Direct to your bank for USA members. Here in the US, this is very convenient. All we have to do is enter our bank information, routing number, account number, and that's it. Our payment will come to our bank account every Thursday. We can see it right away. Direct I Pay Out, a third-party payment gateway for international members to attach their local banks. So this is for the international members. Also, we have the cryptocurrency wallets. Another one is the sponsor's credit wallet through money transfer. So this is how you will everything, all the avenues here, you will get paid. And this is what Live Good is trying to do. No one can stop you from this. All right. I think this is my last slide, Coach. You will
Okay.
this one. All right.
Yes. So I'm sure everyone is waiting for this one, this part. It's gonna be in two part. Coach Mary and I split it. So this affiliate, we're gonna tell you how you can get paid here. What are the bonuses? How can we earn from Live Good affiliate program and membership program? But before I proceed, guys, I just want to read the disclaimer. Income disclaimer: we cannot guarantee your future results and or success. There is no assurance that the past earnings by the other people can be duplicated in the future. We are not responsible for any individual actions, guys. Okay? So next slide. So, Live Good has 8 ways to get paid, 8 bonuses and rewards program. We have the Fast Start, Matrix, Matching, Retail Customers Acquisition, Influencer, Diamond Pool, and Crown Diamond. We're going to explain it to you one by one. So, let's start with the first slide. This is the Fast Start bonuses. So, the Fast Start commission is paid weekly, guys. We have the cutoff to receive this. So, this is every Thursday, we're receiving our commission when you do this part one, this fast start, guys. And mind you, Live Good has the highest fast start bonuses because I've been to other companies and what we get is only like sometimes like 6-7% to 9%. They're not even more than 10%, but in Live Good, guys, 50%. This is the highest industry when it comes to fast start commission. For each person you refer to Live Good who become a member and affiliate who pays the 49.95, but as explained by Coach Medi, we will reward you with a $25 commission, and it's paid out the very next Thursday. So we have a cutoff, guys. Every Thursday is the cutoff. So that you're gonna get $25. Where it came from? Again, that is that it came from the first $40 affiliate fee. So you're gonna get $20, and then the other $5 is from your referrals, a one-time payment. This is only one time. It came from the first monthly membership fee. By the way, you can get some members who want to join you. You can get other people who also want to join you as an affiliate. That's okay. With the $40, they can do that. We accept them, guys. And there are also people who just wanted to avail of the products, and sometimes they just want to pay the membership of $9.95. That's still okay, guys. So either way, you can get clients like this, guys. So you still get the 50% bonus. Okay, next. All right. So in Live Good, we are not just paying you with a fast start on your direct referrals, guy. They also make a way for us to benefit from the growing numbers of people in your team. So if you are like us who loves to, do network to others and tell this business to others, we're gonna get commission up to level 10 depending on your rank, because here in Live Good we have 6 ranks. And if you is new to Live Good, when you get into Live Good, everybody start to as unranked. When you unranked means you haven't started your referral, you haven't invited anyone, so you are called unranked. And that's why you can get paid for the first person who will join you. You're gonna get paid 50% of that. But when you invited 2 people, you're already gold. So you will have additional level, and so on and so forth. If you become silver, gold, platinum, and diamond, guys, the higher the rank, the deeper is your compensation in Live Good, guys. So I have here the sample. As you can see, let's say for example, you are silver. So in silver, you have up to 4th level, guys. So if someone is working with you on your first level, so you're going to get $25, right? So if that person became so excited on the very same day that you got this first level, and they get another level, so you're going to get another 10% on the 3rd level, and you're gonna get 5%. That's $2.50. On the 4th level, you're gonna get $2.50. So that means if this partner of yours down to the 4th level are working for you in one day, and every day you're gonna get $35 per day. Imagine that. And of course, as a silver, sometimes you can also become a silver if you have 10 referrals. But in the fast start, there's no limit here. You can get unlimited partners around the world. And if you get, say, for example, 10 people with you who partner with you as your direct referral, then all of them are working up to the very 4th level. Then you can get $350 per day, right? Isn't that nice? Okay, next slide. Now, this is the most controversial program, which is the Matrix Commission. So our second compensation program is the Matrix Commission, because guys, this in this Matrix Commission, people are getting paid even without enrolling any single person. I'm going to explain it later. But this Matrix Commission is your personal matrix. So at the time you join Live Good, guys, you're gonna have your own network. Okay, your own network. When you lock in your position in Live Good, you are given your own business center, of course, and you are given a certain number of people in a certain network of yours, and it's really fast filling 2 by 15 or 2 by 12 to 2 by 15. I'm going to explain later. So as more people join Live Good every week, they are placed in the matrix under everyone who already is in there. Okay, so if you come first, you're gonna see people building up under you, being placed either by the company or being placed by the people above us, and also it accumulates because some people under you will also be working on their own matrix. So you're gonna see your network building up. So the sooner you lock in your position here, the higher your position will be in the matrix. So as I'm explaining before, the minimum you can get here if you are unranked is 2,047.50. Those are made by the number of people that I'm going to explain later. And the highest rank, which is the diamond, you're going to get, you can expect, that's what I mean, you can expect 16,383.50 per month. Yes, depending on your rank, guys. Okay, so I'm going to explain it a little bit here over on the next slide. Okay, let me be a little bit slow and uh, I hope I can explain it to you better. I know this will be, you may not understand it at first, okay, when you first hear this one, but this works like every person, every member, affiliate member of Live Good, you're going to have your own network, and we call that a matrix network. And the structure is like this on the right side. As you can see, you can be on the top, and the company can place people under you only in two legs. So any vacant position under those people who are already in there will be placed with people by two, only by two. Now let's go to the chart. So as you can see here on my first column on the green, these are the level of that you are allocated depending on your rank. Okay, guys? So that's why we have here 2 by 12, 2 by 13, 2 by 14, and 2 by 15. So the first rank here in Live Good, when you enter Live Good, is called unranked, meaning you have not invited anyone. Okay, and it so happened that you really cannot invite, you can only be given up to 12 levels of people. The total of all this, if you total them, we're gonna be 2,047.50. Okay, so each of the people placed under you, say for example on level 2 we only have two people, you're going to get 25 cents. That is computed based on the 9.95 that the member pays, and computed at 2.5%. So it's actually computed to $10. It's not even the 9.95, but the company is so generous to give us 2.5%, which is 25 cents. So on your first level, you're gonna have $50 if you see two people already there, and it multiplies by 2, so 2 4 8 16 32, so on and so forth. So when you're unranked, you cannot even invite anyone, you will expect 2047 in the long run. But mind you, there is no time frame for this. It can be in 1 year, it can be 2, it can be 5, it can be 10, or um, 10 years. But there is a way to make this happen faster if you will cooperate with us and you jump into this ranking system, guys. Meaning you're working with us, you're working for the company, promoting company, so the company will give you another a level of people to fill in, again, to fill in. So if you become bronze, you're going to have another level that is 13th level. So your network becomes 2 by 13. So the total of these people, all in all, if you are in bronze, you are expecting 4,095.50 per month. Okay, so yes, you can monitor what's going on inside, how many people are in there in your network. So I told all my members, I'm actually encouraging them to go to silver, because silver is really really good, and it's almost it's really can compensate your membership fee, guys. Yes, you can for me it's like eliminating your monthly membership, guys, because you can have a lot of commission over here as a silver. It's more than break even of that 995. So if you become silver, you can also expect the 2 by 13 network, and you will receive 4,095.50 as well. For gold and platinum, they are both 2 by 14 matrix. So you are given another level, that's the 14th level, and your future commission is 8,191.50. The same with the platinum, 8,191.50. And lastly, the diamond is where everybody is heading fast. Okay, so the you double when you get to diamond, you double again your matrix commission. It will be 16,383, and your matrix or your network is called 2 by 15, guys. Guys, the diamond, we have, I think, 205 diamonds already in the company, and we're only 2 years here in
Wow.
Live Good. Okay. The matching bonus. All right. Hey guys, if I said if what I said about the matrix bonus, okay, the matrix bonus is a little slow, but the matching bonus is where you can be this is the fast money maker, guys. Okay, so we're gonna focus on matching bonus. Matching bonus are for people who really want to work this faster, who wants to build their wealth faster. Okay, so this unilevel, we have the unilevel with this matching bonus. This is paid monthly. By the way, I forgot to say the matrix commission is also paid monthly. This matching bonus, this is not the binary, you don't have to match left and right. No, no, no. The matching bonus is about matching whatever earning your members are getting. So in this chart, all your personally enrolled member, meaning your direct referral, you can get 50% of whatever they are earning from their personal matrix. So let's say even if you just referred one person here, and that person really loves Live Good and made its way, his way to Diamond, guys, receiving that 16,000, then you will get 8,000, half of it. What if that person becomes very effective in network marketing, and he gets a lot of people, and as you rank higher here, guys, in this matching bonus, you can still get paid uh, up to the fifth level generation. And let me explain it this way. So in this matching bonus, the second rank that we need to reach, guys, we need to jump to silver. That's why I'm always telling about this silver rank. So when you get to silver, um, you will get additional 10% of the person that is invited by your direct referral or personally enrolled person. Okay. And also, you're opening up your second generation. Whoever, this is the invite of that person that is referred by your personal invite. So you get another 10%. So if you rank to gold, which is higher than silver, you can have additional 5% and 5% on the second. And not only that, you're opening your third generation. So you're getting more from that one person that is personally invited by your direct referral. If you become platinum, you're going to have additional 5% of that same person up to the fourth generation. Okay, up to the fourth generation. And if you become diamond, additional 3% will be given to you up to the fifth generation. So meaning, so you're getting 50% on your direct referral, and then the second referral, you can get 23%, additional 23%, so on and so forth, as you can see here. So just for recap, again, whatever rank your invite made, okay, as you can see here on the yellow block, guys. So if you get someone who is unranked, you can get paid 1,000. If you get the bronze and silver, who's getting 4,000 a month, you can get 2,000 a month. Can you imagine, guys? If you're building a lot of people in your team, you can get 50% of all those income they're already getting from their monthly matrix. That's why this is bigger than your personal matrix, and this is where the wealth can be. You can accumulate wealth here faster. And this is actually for those people who are motivated to do Live Good and share Live Good around the world, guides. Okay, it's like creating multiple accounts for me. That's what I call this. Okay, so I hope you understand. Okay, next slide. If you don't understand, please message us there, comment below, and we will you can message us later, and we will discuss it more with you. Okay, I have here a sample computations just for you to visualize it more easily. So if you become bronze, let's say you become bronze, you want to become bronze, okay? So you double your income from 2,047.50 to 2,095, right? So this is your personal matrix. This is what you're building in the future. So if you don't have anyone yet to join in Live Good, to invite in Live Good, why not get your family members? All right. So get your two of your family members, get involved with your family business. So I call it a family business. So once you put them there, you're expecting half of their matrix, guys. So that's around 2004 to 750 for both of them. That is for you. So your subtotal as a bronze now became 6,143 instead of 4,000. So did you see that? It tripled. It tripled. What the salary or the pension you're expecting tripled over here. Now, what else? You have two family members. So that two family members are also receiving 2,047 a month, even because they're not working. So because you're working and you're the one building your family business, they are expecting another 4,095.50. So all in all, guys, your family has a grand total of 10,238 per month in the future. That's the average. I think that's the average of family income here in California. So with this easy business, you can do it too. And especially if you're in the Philippines, you multiply that to 55 pesos to a dollar, guys. It's equivalent to 563.90. Imagine other people in the Philippines are saying they haven't spent all those 563 last month, and here comes the end of the month, there be another 563 a month. Yes, so in Live Good, you really will build your income in this matching bonus, guys. Just concentrate on building your wealth through this matching bonus, and telling a lot of people get to help to will literally can change your life. Okay, I'm gonna turn this over to Medi.
Okay. All right. Um, let's greet muna yung mga the
Oh,
people who
yeah.
are watching us.
Oh, I'm
I can
really.
see here Coach Bella from California. Uh, thank you, Belle, for watching. Also, we have si Coach Girly. She's watching
Yeah,
also here in
there,
the US.
there are more.
Also, Miss Lolita Mendez.
Oh, thank you,
She's in the
ma'am.
Philippines.
From Makati.
All right. To my husband,
Bobby.
he's at work. He's watching. And si Miss Lolita kanina.
Elizabeth.
Also, Elizabeth Ponce Juan. She is late, but she's from Japan.
Yay. Thank you,
All
school. Thank you.
right.
Thank you.
For watching. I don't know with you, Coach, if you see anyone there.
Yeah, on my side,
So to
um,
give you guys a break before we start, because I know it's very overwhelming um,
yes.
numbers. So trying to relax you on how we can explain this in a very clear as much as we can. So any more, Coach, before I proceed?
I don't see any Jorena Habate. Yeah, from Nueva Ecija. There's six there, but I can't see right now. Yes, I
Okay,
think that's it for now.
all right.
And later on, we will try to shout out again.
All right. Okay, this is the fourth one, the retail commission. We have also the rank here from level 1 to 10. We have unranked, bronze, silver, gold, platinum, diamond. Okay, this is a reseller bonuses. You are given in the beginning when you become an affiliate member, you have another website. And this is for the retail website. So anyone who is interested to buy that and you can share your website. The retail price is there. A sample of this one, um, a difference between the retail and the price of the member's price. So very clear here. For example, an organic coffee, the member price is 17.95, but the retail price is 24.95. So the difference of that is $7. This $7 will be split into two. The first 50% goes to the company, and the 50% goes to you. That's what you are going to make if you sell this product, 350. All right, level 2, the person you invited also, was able to sell, or the person that she invited another one, you are on your level 2, you are going to make still 10%, which is 70 cents. All right, level 3 up to level 8, you are going to make this 35 cents on level 3, level 5, 31 cents, level 6 to 7 is 14 cents, up to level 8 to 10, you are still going to make 7 cents. If you are in the diamond, you can reach up to the 10th level. So as simple as this is the retail commission, because some people are asking, how do we make with the retail a website that we are selling? So this is explained here. If you have any question, you can always go to us or to the person who invited you. All right, the number 5 is the customer acquisition bonus. This is a one time, like the fast start, this is paid weekly. All right, when you enroll a new member, when any of your new personally enrolled members place your first product order, you are going to make 10% of that order paid out to as customer acquisition bonus. They call that. Only the first order of the person you enrolled, 10%. Following the same structure as our fast start commissions and retail commissions, this is how it will look like. Up to the 10th level, if you are a diamond, you are going to make this much. From 50% level 1 up to the 10th level, 1%. Please take note, customer acquisition bonus are paid out one time on your new member's first product order. If your affiliate order and the next one, you're not gonna make anymore, only on the first one. So first order are paid out on up to 300 worth of products on that initial order. So tell your person that you invited, she has to order much. All right. Customer acquisition bonuses are limited to one order per household. That means if you enroll 5 people in the same address, you will only receive the customer acquisition bonus on the first person. All right, so I hope this is clear to everyone. Okay, let's go to the next one. The sixth bonus that we have here is the influencer bonus. And this is paid weekly on your personal sales. So people who are digital creator, people who have so many followers in Instagram, in Facebook or YouTube, if you are already making money from that, you have to consider also, why don't you consider joining Live Good? From this is an additional income for you guys. If you make a sale per month of 2,500, additional commissions will be given to you. On top of that 50, they will give you 10%. That's why the total commission on personal customers is 60%. Um, if you make 5,000, additional 20%, so that's 70%. If you make 10,000, additional 30%. So on and so forth after until you reach the 50,000 sales per month, you are going to make additional commission of 50%. So that's all in all 100%. The company will just give it to you everything. So as you can see here, it's 100% bonus. All right. The seventh is the Diamond Pool. This is paid monthly, first Thursday of the month. Guys, everybody wants to become Diamond. That's why. This is a profit sharing. This is a 2% of total company sales every month. This will be split between all qualified Diamond rank members. Say the company sales is 20 million for the month. 2% of that is 400,000. This will be shared to 100 diamonds. So the share of each diamond holder is 4,000. And take note, this our sales is increasing every month as our CEO is trying to share during the Thursday and Friday training. So, and as Coach Lola said, we have 205 diamonds already, so they will be splitting equally into this 2%. So, okay. All right. The last one is the Crown Diamond. Paid monthly, first Thursday, another profit sharing. So you already have, if you're a diamond and you're a Crown Diamond, you get the 2% and then another 0.50 or half percent. A total company sales every month. This is what you're going to make on top of the other compensation that we mentioned in the beginning. It will be split between all qualified Crown Diamond rank members. Say the company sales has 20 million. Half percent of that is 100,000. And this will be shared to two Crown Diamonds, 50,000 each. Right now, we have two Crown Diamond, one in the Philippines and one here in the US. So, lucky for them. All right. So that's all our 8 compensation. Now we move here with how to rank up. Okay, if you're a bronze, try to invite at least two. You rank up from unranked, you become a bronze. So you can make it up to the 13 level in your matrix. All right. If you want to become a silver, which is, you can still handle this, all you have to do is 3 bronze or 10 directs plus 20 in all your team. The total of your team is 20. So take note of that, 3 bronze or 10 directs. When you become a gold, you have to have at least 3 silver or 30 directs plus 100 team members. So if you can comply with that, you become gold. All right. Next one is the platinum. How to become platinum? All you have to do is you have 3 golds or 100 direct plus 500 team members. So take note of that. Coach Lola is it's so close to this. All right. And also the diamond. If you want to become a diamond, you're going to have you have to have these 3 platinums or 500 in 3 legs plus 2,500 team members. So these are the ranking that we have in Live Good. We only have 5 here. Rank up to bank up. So, all right. How to get started? We have 3 options here. Letter A is the affiliate member. You have to be. I advise you guys take the letter A. You're going to earn residual and passive income becoming an affiliate member. Just add $40 and that's it. One time. Just maintain your $9.95 and that's it. The second option is the member customer. Avail of huge membership discounts. There are people who doesn't want to be on the letter A. That's fine with us. You can do that. Just pay your $9.95 per month and you can get your discounts. And the third option is the retail customer. Avail of low price, high quality products. People who are not interested in any discounts. All they want is the products of Live Good. That's fine with us. We can also help you with that. No problem. So, contact the person who invited you to this business opportunity. And if you decided you want to be in Live Good, this is the funnel that you will be seeing once they share it to you. You have to register here. It's super easy and easy sign up through our sponsors link. Take note of the name here. Make sure that your sponsor shows here. And all you have to do is enter your name, last name, and email address. And click the reserve my position. And of course, don't forget, you have to lock that. And we have every Thursday the deadline to lock up your position and join. And this is how it looks like when you see it on your cell phone. So we encourage you to watch this presentation. It's only 5 minutes, guys. It's easy and it won't take your time. This is for your future. So you better, look into this. Join our team today, the Global Income Builder team. We have free exclusive personal profile site here and made Live Good Pros. Our Coach Lola is the one designing everything for this. We have weekly team business training. And also we have corporate team training, our presentation. You can see that on your website. Also, we have Monday health education from the formulator of the products with Dr. Ryan and Lisa Goodkin. And also we have exclusive chat room support. Each team here creates their own chat room so we can help our members here for any questions, suggestions, or concerns. They can always bring this to us. So timing is the key here. Become one of the pioneers of Live Good. We are still in the pioneering stage, so don't miss this great opportunity with Live Good, guys. I guess that's it. We're done, right?
Right. Yes, thank you so much, Coach Mehdi. That's really wonderful, and thank you for all the viewers. Uh, if you have questions, you just message us and connect with us. The main.livegoodpros.com is where you can find all our members. I'm trying to promote them right now so I can help them as well. We have leaders there. So if you will join us, you can get the same for free. Okay. So, yes, I think we're all good.
Yeah, thank you to Josefina from Jensen. All
Oh,
right,
yes,
thank
we
you
have
for watching.
additional one. Thank you so much for watching, ma'am, and join us.
All right, okay, I guess that's it, right? We're
Right.
done.
So, see you again on next week, Wednesday. I mean, Tuesday, I believe. And then, of course, we have our regular corporate presentation as well. So, don't miss out, guys.
All
See
right,
you. Yeah.
good evening, everyone. Thank you.
See you. Thank you. God bless. Bye bye.